Heat 8.
Swimming on lane 0 is Fabros Bian of EMS Humble Shark Swim Club. Swimming on lane 1 is Cositon Kievan of Manila Sea Island Swim Club. Swimming on lane 2 is Santiago Chiera of Louis Martin Swimming Team. Swimming on lane 3 is Usman Daniel of Miriam College Aquatics. Swimming on lane 4 is Montes Athena of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 5 is Rekibal Alessandra of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 6 is Domasena Wiley of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 7 is Galianeros Tizan of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 8 is Matienzo Loren of Costa Resort Aquatic Club. And swimming on lane 9 is Pitikian Kelsey of Manila Sea Tyrant Swim Club.